Jamaica. And here she is.
Hi.
Hi, Diandra. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Can you hear me
Yes, I
properly?
can. Can
Okay.
everyone hear the two of us properly? I hope
Yes,
so.
please.
All right, so I know it's Saturday and maybe everyone had plans and stuff. So thank you guys for coming on and listening.
Yes.
So I'm going to dive right into it. So let's start off a little bit first with an introduction. So Deandra, could you just tell everyone just a little bit more about yourself? Who is Deandra? What she does and things like those?
Okay. Hi, guys. Hi. I hope you're hearing me. I am Diandra Rowe. There's really nothing exceptional about me. I am a mom to a 4-year-old little boy. His name is Kai. As you know, I work from home. I've been doing this for a while. Um, I like to eat, like Monifa.
Yep,
Yeah.
foodies.
Yeah. Um, I love going
And we're
outdoors. Huh?
and we're so slave and we love food.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. And I mean, I'm just that girl. Very cool, very calm, very simple. That's just me.
Ah, nice. All right, so in starting up, I don't know if you could just explain to person just what being a virtual assistant is, because I know some people maybe are not so sure what it is. So you
Yeah.
could just share that first.
Okay, first of all, a virtual assistant is someone that basically works remotely for clients. We offer administrative support to small, medium-sized businesses, solopreneurs, entrepreneurs. Um, and as you know, we work from the comfort of our bedroom or home, office, your living room, on the floor, wherever it is. That's what we do, basically.
Ah, see, that's like the ideal job. I don't know if anyone agrees, but I think it
Yes.
is. Right? Anything that you could be at home, and as she said, having the little one, it's good to be home. Um, so I keep saying for anyone who wants to become a virtual assistant, like what are some of the requirements?
Honestly, there are no requirements.
Ah,
If it is that you have a degree, great. You have a degree, you have formal training in a
right,
particular area, but it's not a necessity.
right,
Skills is what cuts it.
ah,
Right now,
right.
skills. The more skills you learn, the
Mm-hmm.
more marketable you are as a virtual assistant because there are so many different things that you can do.
Right,
There are so many different services that you can offer now,
right.
especially because everything is going on the internet.
Exactly, right, right. So, like, what would you say, or what would you suggest some of the skills that persons get or have or learn, I should say?
Some of those skills, whew, social media marketing, social media management,
Right.
content creation.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's crazy.
Go
It's
on.
crazy. Website design, website management. I really
Right.
like that. Shopify,
Mm-hmm.
VA, Amazon VA, eBay VA. All those platforms you can make money from simply managing those
The
platforms.
platforms. Ah,
Yeah.
and I don't know if you guys, just to get some inclusion, you could type in the comment box if it is that you knew about these things and had already thought about it or anything like that. Just let us know in the meantime. So you told us some of the skills and the comfort of working from home, but what are the hours like being at home?
Now, this is tricky, guys. I am not going to pretty this up.
Right.
I'm going to tell you as it is. It is not easy, especially if you have kids. All right?
I can.
However, if it is that you decide, okay, I want to work from home, time management is very important.
I
You
agree.
can decide if you want to work for 24 hours, 12 hours, 3 hours, 1 hour, 5 hours, and it all depends on the service that you offer. So, if you're able to manage your time, you are able to do so much more in the day.
Ah, but that's good though. And I think
It
that's the
is.
beauty of it all, just that
Yes.
time management. And to be honest, you know, you can have persons who are working from home and still have not figured out that time management thing. Like
Oh,
myself, to be honest. I'm
yes.
working on it, right? It's
It's
been
very, it's very, very important. I
tricky.
prefer to work at nights because everybody is sleeping,
Right,
the child is sleeping,
right.
and I have the house to myself. There's nobody using the internet, so
Yeah.
I have no trouble. And there's nobody walking around or
No
shouting
distraction.
across the room or, all of that. So I prefer to work at night. I'm more alert working at night because the daytimes are so hot too. But once you're able to offer a particular service, once you have a skill and you're able to offer it and market it to a client,
Right.
then you are able to do wonders. You're able to do wonders.
See, that's what I figured from everything. So
Hmm.
a lot of people might ask, if you do this for just a few hours or whichever, is the income at the end of the day worth it? Or
Oh,
is
yes.
it? All right, so no hesitation there. Oh yes.
Oh,
So you
yes.
guys heard that. So anyone see, so that is a good thing. So the income is good and it doesn't require, I mean, that formal level of education that, because honestly guys, I don't even know if I should say this. Because like I look at it similar because I told you before to Deandra, having a degree and I have probably never used it. If I have, I don't know when. But I'm happy I have it, yes, but at the end, what I do also is from home, but it doesn't require much. All right. Tell everyone
So
a
I
little bit.
just saw my mentor join
Oh
the
yeah.
live. Hi, Venicia. I
So hi,
see you.
Vanessa.
She is actually, currently, I'm working with her on
Right.
a project and we're talking about moving forward with some other stuff.
Right.
And she is the one teaching me how to manage Shopify sites. And let me tell you
Ah.
guys, she is awesome. She is awesome. Hi.
So hi. That's her, Lady Van Levy. Ah.
Yes.
Hi. Well, maybe we have to do another one of these with her if she's open to it. She can let us know. All right. All right. So my other question then is, before I get into your business itself, for
Hmm.
anybody who is looking to start, definitely give them an idea of how to get started, maybe some of the possible platforms they can get started on just to start building that experience, maybe, and then
Right.
how it is that they can move forward.
Okay, great. I started off because I was tired of taking a taxi to work every day. I was at my wit's end with it, and I
Mm-hmm.
decided, okay, I have to find something that I can stay home and make some money. I was
Right.
working at a call center. I saw an ad actually for work from home training from
Right.
Internet Income Jamaica. I said, you know what? I have to try this. I have to make an effort to try this to see what it is. So I
Yeah.
signed up for the transcription course and I did the transcription course. And what they train you to do is they'll train you in a particular skill and they'll have you basically encourage you to sign up to Fiverr because there are different platforms. But Fiverr
Right.
is this massive community of buyers and sellers that you can sign up.
Right.
You advertise your gigs wherever, social media, your email,
Yeah.
you get the traction from that, and then different buyers will message you or place an order with you. And I started doing this, and I was like, okay, this can work.
Yeah.
And guys, you're earning in US dollars. You are not earning Jamaican dollars.
That's
Let
right.
me
And the
tell you
dollar is
that.
going up, guys. Anyone seen the dollar
Yes,
lately? Just saying, it's going up, and I'm not
yes.
complaining. Yeah.
So I was basically doing that for a while, and let me tell you, in Jamaican language, Marine so that.
Right. Makes sense.
Understand? I was up day in, day out doing transcription,
Mm-hmm.
and I made some good money from
Right.
doing it. right? And I decided, and I'm saying, if I can do this on this platform, I can start my own business. I can basically create my own platform where I am offering proposals, advertising my business. Even on Fiverr, if you have a client, you can still advertise to that client and say, okay, well, I work outside of Fiverr, so you know, we can build a different relationship. And let me tell you, perfect.
Wow, that's good.
Amazing. I've had I've had a lot of success with it. I've made some good money, and I love money.
Right.
If you know me. But that's how I started.
So you guys are,
Also,
go ahead.
right, sorry. Also, there's another platform, Upwork.
Right, I've heard about that one.
Right, my profile got rejected 3 times.
That's what I was going to
However,
ask you about Upwork, because I know it can be challenging in terms of bidding and things like that.
yes, you have to really know your stuff for Upwork.
Yeah,
You
that's what
can't
I.
make any mistakes.
Mm-hmm.
So, my profile got rejected 3 times.
Right.
On the fourth try, based on my advice from my mentor,
Right.
I got through.
Nice.
So, more money, guys,
Or
more money.
exactly. And that's the thing, as long as it is that you're always looking for how to move forward and how to progress and stuff like that, I think that's the best way to look at it, right?
Yeah.
I'm always trying to grow from what it is that you currently do. All right. So I want you to tell us a little bit more now. This is for anyone who doesn't know about your business. You can let them know a little bit about it, your website, all of that stuff. Go ahead.
Okay, so my website is deandrajero.com. You can just type it in as it, and it will come up. I still offer virtual assistant services and content marketing. Um, I offer a wide variety of different services, but the thing is, I'm the only person doing it all.
Right.
And what I'm looking to do to assist young mothers, if you're on this live, let me tell you, eventually I will be branching out to hire young mothers. No, I'm not being biased to
Right.
anyone at all, but I'm a young mom
And you know the
and I know what it's like.
Yep.
So I chose that audience.
And
All right, guys.
that's fine. And I think that's actually a really good audience, because again, as I said, young mothers, it can be really challenging. I'm an old mother and it's very challenging.
Yes.
But it's really challenging. So having that and being able to be at home with your it's really nice to know when you're home and you have a little one that they're there with you the whole time. Like everyone asked, I said it to Deandra, like my little one is like, she's not 2 yet, and everyone is like, you're not going to like take her to the nursery now and all of that. Not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen, right? So for everyone, it's different, right? But yeah. So Deandra, I don't know if I left out anything. Did I? I don't think so.
Some of the tools.
Okay, yes, go ahead. I think you told me the skills, but not the tools. Yes. So tell me
Right.
some of the tools. Go ahead.
Right. So some of the things that you'll need, guys, to get started is you'll definitely need a computer. Please don't ever think you can do this without a computer. It's mandatory. Also, I mean, you know, we're all struggling with the internet thing.
Right.
But you have to have some decent internet connection. You must be able to think critically. We look at it as not being a tool, but let me tell you something. If you cannot put 1 and 1 together and make 2 and then make 11, you're going to be in trouble.
Fair enough.
So you have to be able to think critically. You need a management software. This is not a must if you are good at planning. Oh, right. Yes, and Venicia, backup internet too. I'm working on that one.
Right. I need
Backup
to get
internet.
that myself.
Yes.
Even though maybe I don't mind. Well, go ahead, because like I don't mind when the internet goes with what I do, because I
Oh
just like
no,
for the
I
class.
can't manage it. I lose my mind when my internet goes.
Yeah, but
But
you don't have that problem often, do you?
not not that often, but since recently,
Yeah, with
um,
everyone being at home, it's been
yeah,
shaky.
yeah.
Oh,
So management software, your management software can be Hubstaff or Trello. You can look up those, but there are so many more out there that you can research. So,
right,
what this does, it gives you time management, assists you with time management,
right.
and it also assists you with project management. Now, I told you before that time management is important,
Yeah,
and let me tell you, it is beyond important. So,
right,
get that in your head.
right,
You'll also need Google Calendar. If you're
right.
forgetful like me, Google Calendar works. Download it on your phone, put your meetings in there, your tasks to be done. It works. You need a meeting platform, which is
You could use like Zoom,
Zoom
right?
or Skype, whichever one is easier for you. AnyDesk, Vanessa taught me this. AnyDesk is awesome because you can use it to control the next person's computer.
The sharing. Oh,
Share
okay.
your screen, right? So you can do training with persons and
Okay, that's good.
it can be
This is
done
the
this
first time
way.
hearing about that one. Someone, after you finish, someone said you should, if it is that you want to, you should share some events. Good Upwork advice. Anyway, that was him for me. So
I have to have her share.
yeah,
I
for
have to
sure.
have her share that.
I don't know if she wants to like. All right, go ahead. When you finish.
Yes. Also, you need a social media management platform. No, if you look at my social media, I don't have any posts.
Right.
I have like one post.
Yeah.
I'm not big on posting.
Mhm.
I'm really not, but I've been getting a lot of messages and a lot of emails saying that I wanted to share more, let us know what's going on. So
Right.
I'm working on that, guys. Just give me a few.
Right.
Um, Canva.
Yeah,
Canva,
that's my favorite. Yeah.
Canva is one of the easiest platforms I've ever seen to design graphics,
Yes. Yes.
right? You see all those business pages, they have these beautiful graphics and artwork, and listen, Canva is
It's
the
really
it
good.
thing, okay?
Yeah. I totally
Especially if you cannot use Adobe
like myself.
like me.
I can't use it either. That's
But
fine.
I'm
Exactly.
I'm
Foolproof.
actually learning Adobe now.
I could use it years ago, but like I was teaching myself and then I stopped and that was it.
Yeah, but if you're like us and you can't bother with all of that, you can just
Exactly. Those
hop
Canva.
on over to Canva. All right?
Exactly.
And also, the final and most important thing is Google.
Right?
Believe it or not,
Mm-hmm.
Google should be your best friend,
Right.
right? Google,
Got that right.
Google. Anything you want to learn,
Google.
Google. Any skill you want to perfect,
Google.
Google.
That is true. Google and YouTube.
Google. And YouTube.
Yeah,
Okay, so
for sure.
my child is actually knocking on the door, but I'm trying to what
That's it. Like I did this when mine was sleeping, so she's out.
he's knocking on the door right there.
That's fine because we're out. I guess we were pretty much wrapping up though. All right, so for sure, it was so nice having you on the call today, Deandra. Like
Yes.
I was gonna say something, but I won't say it, and you were sure you.
but you
But I.
but you know this is not my thing,
But
and
you
I
did
was
a great
terrified.
job. You
I
did
was
a great.
terrified of doing this.
I think you did a great job, an excellent job actually. So see, you should be on the social media more, okay? So this is your first step out. I'm super proud of you
Hi,
and
Mrs. Burke. Hi.
thanks so much for sharing your time, your wisdom. I'm sure this helped a lot of persons on today.
Yeah.
Definitely grateful for that. And Yeah, so is there any final words that you want to share with anyone or everyone before we go? And Lady Van Levy, we need to have a talk.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do. My final thoughts. The truth is, it's not easy.
Right.
It takes up a lot of time, it takes a lot of effort, and it takes a lot of energy. And if you really want to perfect this, you will not sleep much.
Right, right.
Right? But the rewards are amazing because you learn new skills that will take you to places that you never actually thought that you'll go.
That's true.
I mean, I've had persons reach out to me
Mm-hmm.
saying, I want you to help me with this. I want you to do this for me. I want you to do that for me. You can work with local and international companies.
Right,
You
right.
understand? And this is something that you can put on your resume,
Yeah, for
which
sure.
makes you more marketable. And the fact that you're working from home, it means that you're able to manage yourself and the
Right.
people that work from your yard.
Exactly. The
Come
convenience of that.
on.
So it makes a
Try,
lot.
guys.
Yeah. Because the thing is, like, as I said, when I was trying to find virtual assistants from here, it was somewhat of a challenge. And because as I, like, you're literally the only person I saw at first. And then after I started looking again, and I realized it's really, maybe I don't know if you know if it's really common here in Jamaica. I know there are persons that do it, but I don't know.
Most of the persons that I see that do it, they work on Fiverr.
Oh, okay. Right.
And
I think
Fiverr has become such a big hit since the whole COVID.
that is because I think
Crazy.
okay, for sure. That's the thing. I think everything online has been blowing up since COVID-19. So yeah, now is the best time, right? Now is the best time. So anybody looking to step into this virtual world, feel free to. You could contact Deandra about being a virtual assistant. You could
Yes,
also
ma'am.
check out my blog. It has like different work from home opportunities that you can consider if you have the skills and the talent in different areas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this live and that you learned a lot from it. And just stay tuned for a lot more that will be coming throughout the year just to build awareness around it. All right,
Yes, and we need to do some more work together.
for sure. This was awesome. All
So,
right,
guys, if you have any questions, you can send me a DM. That's what it's called, right? DM.
right.
Right. You can send me a DM or you can email me or WhatsApp me. My number
Right.
is actually on my website. Please don't murder me. But you can send me a message, you can send me an email. I will respond. I will try my best to assist you as best as possible. I will share all the resources that I have, that I know. And once I have work, and you're willing to work and determined, I don't want any time wasters, let me tell you that, because
Right.
I'm serious about my work,
Right. Which is important.
then I can definitely look into things and
Move
we can
forward.
maybe work from there.
Exactly. Let's make some changes, guys. All right. So take care, everyone. Stay safe. All right. See
Thank
you.
you. Bye, guys.